So you'll notice you've probably seen this picture a lot in other videos, but you'll notice I've added in um, on our processor 4 registers just known as R1, R2, R3, and R4. These are just an example of general purpose registers. The reason I've not had them on in the other videos is because they weren't essential to what I was teaching. I was trying to simplify as much as possible. But on your CPU, you also have these things called general purpose registers. So these are additional registers on the CPU that can be used for either memory addresses or data as and when they're needed. Okay, so an example would be to store the current register contents when there's been an interrupt. So if there's been an interrupt, you need somewhere to store certain bits of data so you can process the interrupt. You might use some general purpose registers for that. You also use them for sometimes for if you're copying data from one location to another. You're going to see R1, R2, R3, or variables when things are being executed. You're going to see these referred to in assembly language when you look into that in more detail. But they are literally just know the difference, because what I'm going to show you dedicated registers as well. Just understand the general purpose registers are just some additional memory location on the CPU that will be used as and when they're needed, not always for the same purpose.